Welcome back. Let me get in here. I got some unmoldings to do. I need to find a place for these leaves because they're just in the corner of everything. Is that? Yay. Okay, so I got 2 trays. I'm gonna unmold. This is a hanging plant tray, obviously, because you can tell by the thingies. And this is an incense holder. I'm just gonna do it from this angle because they're simple unmoldings. Just hold them up and do it like this. I'm doing a glitter bomb collection, hence all the glitter. This is an incense holder, and we got the whole straight through red and glittery. I might come around so y'all can see because it looks better. I'm gonna have to get up and show y'all. It looks, well, you can kind of see it that way, but yeah. And then this one, yeah, see, these are simple unmoldings. I'm gonna get up and do all that extra. Okay, let me get these out. Oi. Okay, these I need to take out make the holes because they're a little bit filled, like a little, nothing crazy. They're like thin, so I can just pop them out. My fur looks so shine. Anyways, this one is green. They're greenish yellow, but let me come show y'all what it looks like up close. But this is it. Yeah. You see all the glitter colors. I don't know if this video is doing it any justice. It looks way more majestic in person. And same with this one. Like, you can kind of see it, but not really. I'll probably post pictures of them after I'm done editing them and whatever. I got dust on me because I was doing some stuff earlier. But yeah, so that's my 2. Simple, real quick, nothing crazy, you know. This one's going on the site for sale. Yeah, this one's going on the site for sale. Well, both of them are, so I don't even know why I said that. Both of them will be on the website shortly. By the time this post, they're probably gonna already be on the website because anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast, Pointless Talks. Make sure you listen to those episodes. Don't just subscribe. Listen, like, share, all that fun stuff. And just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless Unboxings, Pointless Unmoldings, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!